Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2009 Chrysler Town & Country with only 36,000 miles. This one's been converted by Dorado National with their Ameri-van mobility conversion, making it fully wheelchair accessible with a power side entry ramp, Q-Straint tie-downs, and a Q-Straint wheelchair docking station. What makes this conversion stand out is Eldorado's 14-inch lowered stainless steel floor, rocker panels, and rear subfloor designed to maximize durability and protect against rust and corrosion over time. It's super clean, rust-free, and ready to go, whether for personal or commercial use. And today we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior, demonstrate how the ramp works, and take it out for a drive so you can see everything working and operational. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this Ameri-van conversion. It's super simple and user-friendly. You could deploy the ramp right from the factory key fob. Just press the sliding door button twice. The passenger side door will automatically open, the van will kneel to lower the ramp angle, and the ramp will smoothly deploy to the ground. To stow the ramp, just press the same button twice again. The ramp will retract, the van will raise back up, and the door will close all automatically. You can also control the ramp using the buttons installed by Ameri-van on the dash and next to the ramp in the rear. The setup is built for ease, accessibility, and independence, making everyday transportation simple and stress-free. All right, let's do a walk around of the town and country so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Tires are in good shape. A little bit of touch up here on the bumper. It's very light. I do have the parking sensors on the bumper, which is really nice. couple little things right here. Very, very small. I just like to point out everything. Some very small light things just down the side of this van. I think it was garage kept. It usually happens when they try to open the doors, you know, puts little things. So they're very small. You're really gonna look for them, but you know, like I said, I like to, you know, point everything out. Couple little things over here, little thing right there, little thing right there. This is very small stuff, but just so you guys know what shows up. I have some touch up right here on the bumper. On the hood. It's very common in all these caravans in town and countries.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
Some cup holders on each side. Power outlet, AC volt as well, which is really nice. These buttons control the ramp if you needed to. Do have the removable driver and passenger side seats, as well as underneath the passenger side seat, the mounted Q-Straint QLK 100 docking station and seatbelt buckle. extender, which is really nice. Do have rear controlled air conditioning, all your storage compartments. There's like 5 more up here. You have power windows, power locks. You have your glove compartment here. A lot of people don't know there's another glove compartment right there. It's pretty cool. Little handles right there. Like I said, the seat is removable. This cover right here comes off as well. Your jack and tools in here. These rear seats also fold down by pulling this. It's hard for me to do with one hand, so you can see them folded down in the pictures. They do work. You have a little flashlight here. Your spare tire is underneath there. And you do have a power tailgate, which can be used with the button right here or with the rope. Power driver's seat. Just move it back and forth. See everything working. Dash is super nice. All right. So we have no lights on the speedometer. That flashing is just from the camera, so don't worry about it. Acts totally normal. Do have automatic headlights here, which is nice as well. Same thing with the radio. It flashes. Doesn't flash in person. This is just a reaction to the camera. See, that all works. Speakers sound good. Do have Sirius radio, satellite radio, AM, FM, MP3, CD. Ice cold AC, all the fan speeds work. Same thing in the rear. You hear the rear AC going. Cup holder down here. A couple more power outlets. Right here you have all of your factory switches. So this is how you can also operate the ramp. Also open the liftgate and the left side sliding door. Over here is the little sensors for the parking sensors in the rear. They will beep when you get close to something. This is your quick lock. Right now it's beeping, so it's normally going to beep when you first start the van. I'll show you, hold on. So I'm going to turn the van off. So you hear it beeping. This is normal because there's no wheelchair in the docking station. So obviously that's alarming you, hey, something's not locked in. So if you don't have it, you can always just press that button right there, and that's gonna mute the beeping sound. So this way, you know, if you don't have a wheelchair in there, you don't have to listen to it beep. So that's normal.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road. Wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.